Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Ramon Gary, one of the co-founders of the Wealth Influencer Network, where we show, teach, and educate people on how to win at this game called money. This is video number 2 of our 30 for 30 financial challenge. See, over the next 30 days, we're helping 30 families start their journey to financial freedom. Just a quick recap of video number 1. We talked about meeting your 2 financial objectives. Objective number 1 is to maintain your current lifestyle, which is paid for by your labor. Objective number 2 is to fund your future lifestyle, which should be paid for by your investments. You see, one day when we're no longer working, well, we want our money to continue to come. Now, there are 4 challenges that keep us from hitting our 2 financial objectives, and we're going to talk about one of those today. The first one we'll talk about is called inflation, also known as the silent income killer. Now, we call it the silent income killer because inflation creeps into our household. It creeps into your wallet every single day because the buying power of the dollar is declining. You see, the way this country is set up, business owners can increase their prices anytime they feel like it. You see, think about this. If you make $50,000 a year, but every single day, gas is going up, healthcare is going up, daycare is going up, interest rates is up, college tuition is up, groceries is going up. Hey, and guess what? If your income is not up, and guess what it is? It's actually down. You see? Or even if your income stayed the same, but everything else is getting more expensive, your income is actually declining. You see, think about this. Remember when you first started driving your car? Let's say you went to the gas station and you went inside and you gave that clerk a $20 bill. You said, "Give me $20 on pump 2." You went back out and you pumped $20 worth of gas. Then you got inside your car and you looked at that gas needle. What did it do? Your gas needle probably went all the way to full. If it wasn't on a full tank, it was pretty close. All right. Now, fast forward to today. You go back to that same gas station. You go in there and you say, "Give me $20 on pump 2." You go back out. You pump that same $20 worth of gas into your car. And you get back in your car and you look at the gas needle. What does that gas needle do today? It may get to a half a tank, probably less than a half a tank. You see, it's the same $20, but the buying power is going down. All right. So if you're ready to learn some strategies to overcome inflation, or if you're ready to start your journey to financial freedom, I want you to text me the keyword inflation. All right. My number is 662-350-0632. Again, 662-350-0632. And the keyword is inflation. All right. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. And I'll see each and every one of you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded.